Hi, I'm Lulu. Let's read a book. This book is called Bear Snores On. Excuse me. Page. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. He's right there. He's in a cave. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night.